Um, Liette said you got tips for whistle notes. I get them like 50% of the time. Other voice not having it. Okay. Liette, when it comes to the whistle notes, they are uncontrollable, ma'am. We don't know when they may show up. Ask anybody who does whistles. They hope the whistle will come. The best thing that I could say is maybe just make sure that you have the proper air, because sometimes it will come. Thank you. Thanks for joining the fan club. Sometimes the air will help, but I'm just telling you, it's whistle notes are uncontrolled. Mariah Carey will tell you. Shantae Moore will tell you the same exact thing. Shanice Wilson will tell you the same thing. They're the ones who could do whistles. And Ariana Grande, I don't know what she would say, but she also can do whistle. Y'all know anybody else who can do the whistle register?
Ripperton was here. She would say something. She would say something.
Yes, Minnie.
Yeah, she been gone since 76. Baby, she been gone a long time.
The other old school singer, Betty Wright.
Betty Wright. Yeah, Betty Wright, at least in her concert, she was able to hit her whistle notes easily. I used to practice her trying to do her. I used to try to do that. No pain. Is that the one? No.
Yep.
No.
Angela Winfish? Ooh.
No.
Yes. Williams too.
Yeah.
I just seen. Did y'all watch Build? I think it's Building the Band.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, that girl on there, the opera singer, she hit that whistle note.
Oh, I think I remember that.
Oh, I'm sorry if I spoiled it for anybody. Oh, I'm so sorry.
You know who else?
I don't even know who it was.
Duran Barr. Ooh, that
Duran
boy
Bernard.
Ooh,
Wait, he hits whistle notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, he does.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
What?
Yes, ma'am. That boy is
God.
bad.
And he does it on the spot?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
I think Avery Wilson can too.
Ooh.
Whistles?
I love Avery Wilson's voice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, me too. I love his voice.
A beautiful voice.
But that's all right. I'm just telling you, it's normally like an uncontrolled thing. I'm just trying to tell you. I had the youngest person I had to hit a whistle note at the time. She was like 11, and she hit the highest note I've ever heard a singer sing, at least in my studio. I'm gonna play the note she hit. Okay, and it is, if you're on the piano, look, I'm on my piano right here. Let's see. Yeah, see it? That's the highest she hit, F sharp 7, which is the highest I think Mariah Carey goes, actually.
I told you, my baby, she hit them whistle notes.